Hello, boys and girls, and happy Thursday. I've got some good news. Today is our last day working with the book Going Places, and you don't have to do any new writing today. You have done all of your writing for the week, and now you should be able to retell our story, including key details. So that's what your job is to do today. So I have my papers that I've done this week. My first, next, and last, and my problem and solution. So I'm going to use these to help me retell my story. So really quick, we're going to look at our LEQ, and then I'll show you what my work looks like so you know what to do also. Let's take a look. Remember, this week we are practicing how can we retell stories, including key details? So we talked about that means the characters, who is in the story, the setting, where it happened and when, and then retelling first, next, and last. And what did I forget on my picture? Our problem and solution, you're right. So when you're retelling your story today and you go to give me the key details, make sure you tell me your problem and solution. Okay, my friends, so here's what it's gonna look like. You need to record a video of you retelling our story. I also posted just me reading the book. If you want to remember what our book is about, you can watch that video first. But here's how I would retell the story. In the story Going Places, it is about a boy, Raphael, who really wants to win the go-kart race. First, he follows all of the directions to build the perfect go-kart. But then he goes to check on his neighbor Maya, and at first she didn't even start it. And then when she built it, it was not a go-kart. It looked more like a bird. So next, they decided to work together. That way, they could help each other make the best device or contraption, like our book said, to win the race, since the directions did not say it had to be a go-kart. Last, they got to the race and one of the other kids made fun of them, and they didn't listen. And they were the winners. And even after they won the race, they saw a frog and it gave them a new idea for how they could make their go-kart even better. So my friends, that is how I would retell my story. I included the characters. I included the settings where it was happening. I included first, next, last. And when I was doing that, I also said what our problem and our solution was. I can't wait to see your videos. Bye, guys.